Today we are going to enter in a third term. So first lesson we are going to see the light lesson. So what is light? So if you enter into the dark room, can you see any objects? No, you cannot see the objects because nothing is visible to our eye. So the moment when you switch on the light, how it will be? Everything it will be visible to us. So how we are seeing the things through our eyes? We are seeing the things. So when you look at the light, how it will be? It will be very bright. Then, so light is a type of one of the energy. So light is a type of one of the energy. So then that only helps us to see all the things around us. So the light can be detected by the human eye. So this is a small introduction about the light. So today first topic we are going to see the sources of light. Sources of light. So what is sources of light means? So the objects which are able to emit the light. So objects which are able to emit the light. So that is known as the sources of light. So in the light rays that comes from the different sources, not only from the light. So the light is coming from the many of the sources. So in that there are two types. So how many types we are having? In that we are having the two types. So first one, natural sources of light. First one, natural sources, and the second one is artificial. Artificial sources. Two types. That one is natural sources and the another one is artificial sources. First we are going to see the natural sources. First we are going to see the natural sources of light. So sources which emit light naturally, that is known as the sources of light. Natural sources of light which emit naturally. That is known as the sources of light. So the sun is the primary and the major sources of our light. So without sun we cannot get the light sources. So sun is very important for us for getting the light. So the stars also produce light at the night times. So in the same way, how we can see means through sun and the stars. At the daytime we can see through the sun, at the night time through the stars. So the moon also provides the light. So that is particularly in the night time only. So likewise, some living organisms have the ability to produce the light. That is named by the bioluminescence. That is a bioluminescence. So that is the effect of some of the chemical reactions that is occurring in the organisms. Fireflies, jellyfish, glowworm, certain deep sea plants and some of the microorganisms. So these organisms also can emit the light naturally. So next we can see the artificial sources of light. Artificial sources of light. So what is artificial means? The natural sources means that it will be occur naturally. Artificial means we have to do something, then only it will be occur. So the different light of the source that able to produce the light artificially, that can be that is classified into the two types. So that is three types. That is artificial sources of man. That is first we can see the artificial sources of man. So artificial sources of man means that is made by the humans. So the human, what we are doing, we are flaming the candle, then incandescent bulb, neon lamp, sodium lamp. So these are the etc. So next we can see the incandescent sources. Incandescent sources. So that is when certain object that is heated to the high temperature. So when the incandescent source is getting heated to the high temperature, they begin to emit the light. So when it is heated for the high temperature, then only the light will be emitted. So the glowing of hot iron rod, that is a kind of incandescent light. So the rod, as they know, that we are heating to the up to the end of the level. So that is the incandescent sources. Example, candle and then incandescent lamp. Next, gas discharge source. Next we are going to see the gas discharge. Gas discharge sources. So that is the passing the electricity through the certain gases at very low pressure. We are passing the gas at the very low pressure, that can be produce the light. So that is known as the gas discharge sources. For example, neon lamp and the sodium lamp. So these are the two examples of the gas discharge sources. So next we can see the properties of light. So what is the properties means? The light, it will be some of the fundamental properties. That is known as rectilinear propagation of light. One is reflection, then speed. Then the interaction of the light with the matter. So in that we are having some of the points. What is it means? Types of materials, that is according to the permeability. Then formation of shadows. In the light we can see some of the shadows. Yes or no? So that is the formation of shadows. Then plane mirror and the images. Then spectrum. Spectrum, we are seeing the many different colors. So that is the spectrum. So these are the properties of the light. Thank you, students.